In this guide, I'm going to show you how to hide your apps on your iPhone super easy and fast. And if you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is, of course, make your way onto your iPhone home screen. And of course, you will need some apps or games installed. And once you've done that, you guys are just going to want to hold down on the app you guys are going to want to hide. Then you need Face ID enabled on your iPhone. And once that's enabled, you're going to press require Face ID for this. So once you've done that, it will say, so I'm doing it for the Nando's app, it will say this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. App content will not appear in notification previews or spotlight. Instead of require Face ID, you're going to press hide and require Face ID. Okay, so I've done that, and then it will say hide this app. You're going to press hide app. Okay, and once you've done that, you're then going to go and scroll across all the way to the left, and then you'll see in the hidden apps bit here in your app library that it's actually now in there. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. Subscribe, drop a like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.